Hello everyone, good day for all. Welcome back to another episode of Ayursamveda, a smart way to Ayurveda. I am Doctor Kavya Vasudev and you are watching series on Padarth Vigyan. Please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell button for continuous updates in Samhita Siddhanta. In the last videos, we were discussing Karana Dravyas and we have seen the properties of Panchamahabhuta, Kala, Dik and Atma. If you have not watched those videos, please click the I button to access them. Moving with the last Karana Dravya, that is Manas. Nirukti, Manu Avabodhane. The entity which helps a person to attain knowledge is called as Manas. That is, Manas is considered to be the main factor which is responsible for attaining the knowledge. Man Jnane Bodhane Va Dhaduhu. The word Manas is derived from the Man Dhatu, and that meaning of Man Dhatu is that Jnana or Bodhana, that is enlightenment. That is enlightenment with the knowledge or getting the knowledge is considered to be the word meaning of Manas. Manyate Jnayate Buddhyate Anena iti Manaha. Through which we get the Jnana Utpatti or the Vishaya Avabodha. Vishaya means the Indriyarthas or what we are trying to perceive or what we are trying to get the knowledge from. So Avabodha, that is enlightening or getting the knowledge of the Vishaya. So through which we get this Jnana Utpatti or Vishaya Avabodha, that is considered to be Manas. Manaha purasarani indriyani arthagrahana samarthani bhavanti. And that which is making the indriyas to attain the vishayas or the attain the arthas or to grasp the knowledge or to grasp the vishaya or artha is Manas. That is, Manas will be controlling the indriya for the consumption of the or getting the proper knowledge. That is, when this indriya and indriyartha sannikarsha happens, then the knowledge will be occurring. And Manas will be controlling the indriyas to attain this particular knowledge. That is, Manas controls the indriya to get associated with the indriyarthas or the vishayas. That is, indriyartha sannikarsha happens by the control of the Manas. Next is the synonyms of Manas. Atindriyam punarmanaha sattva saknyakam cheda ityahu. So this Manas is having different kinds of synonyms such as Atindriya. That is, this Manas is the tool for Indriya to perceive the Vishayas, but Manas cannot be perceived through any of the Vishayas, so or any of the Indriyas. So this Manas is called as Atindriya, that is, which cannot be perceived by the Indriya is called as Atindriya. And also the other synonyms are Mana, Sattva, Cheta, etc. And also Chittantu, Chedo, Hridayam, Swandam, Hrid, Manasa, Manaha. Chitta, Cheta, Hridaya, Manasa are also other synonyms of Manas. That is, which cannot be perceived also. Because of that, we call it as Atindriya, and other synonyms are Chitta, Cheta, Manasa, Hridaya, etc. Next, moving with the Mano lakshana. What are the characteristics, features of Manas? Lakshanam manaso jnanasya abhavo bhava evacha sadihi atma indriyarthanam sannikarshe na vartate vaivrityat manaso jnanam sanithyat tacha vartate. So the main factor or the main feature or property of Manas is the Jnana, Abhava and Bhava. That is, Jnanasya Abhava, that is non-occurrence of Jnana, and Jnanasya Bhava, that is occurrence of Jnana. These two are the main properties or main two factors of Manas. That is, Jnana, Bhava and Abhava, occurrence and non-occurrence of the knowledge or Jnana is considered to be the main two lakshanas of Manas. And this Jnana Utpatti will be taking place by the combination of Atma, Indriya, Indriyartha and Manas. So how this Manas is responsible for the Jnana Utpatti or Jnana Bhava and Abhava is being told. Jnanasya Abhava, that is non-occurrence of knowledge or non-occurrence of Jnana. So, Atma Indriya Indriyartha Sannikarsha Vaivrityat Manaso Jnanam Na Vartate. That is, there is a combination of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha. So Atma Indriya Indriyartha Sannikarsha is there, and Vaivrityat Manaso. If there is no association of Manas with this combination, then there won't be Jnana. Jnanam na vartate. That is, Manas is missing from that combination. Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha Sannikarsha is there. Already in the concept of Atma, it has been mentioned that Atma is considered to be the Jnana Adhikarana. That is, it is the seat for Jnana, and the whatever Indriyas are perceiving the Jnana, it will be given to the Atma, or Atma is the enjoyer of all this Jnana. But when there is Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha Sannikarsha also, when there is mind or Manas is present, then only Jnana Utpatti will be taking place. In the combination of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha, when there is no combination or association of Manas is not present, then that combination won't lead to the Jnana Utpatti. So this is Jnanasya Abhava. And next is Jnanasya Bhava. So Manas Lakshana is Jnanasya Bhava, that is occurrence of the Jnana. That is, when there is a Sannikarsha of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha, along with that, when the Manas also combines together, then there will be Jnana Utpatti. So Atma, Indriya, Indriyartha and Mana. When this Sanidhya, that is Manas is having the Sanidhya with the combination of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha, then Jnana will be produced. So Jnanasya Bhava and Abhava are the two main lakshanas of Manas, and Jnanasya Abhava is happening by the Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha Sannikarsha is there, but Manas Vaivritya, that is dissociation of Manas, or there is no joining of Manas, Vaivritya of Manas is present, then Jnana Abhava, and along with the combination of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha Sannikarsha, Manas Sanithya is there, then it will lead to the Jnana Utpatti. So the main two factors or the two main lakshana of Manas is Jnanasya Bhava and Jnanasya Abhava. So in the combination of Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha, when Vaivritya of Manas is there, then it lead to Jnana Abhava, and Sanithya of Manas is there, then it lead to Jnana Bhava. Again, the same concept has been mentioned as per Vaisheshika Darshana. Atmendriyartha Sannikarshe Jnanasya Bhavo Abhavascha Manaso Lingam. That is, Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha, along with that Manas Sannikarsha is there, Jnana Utpatti will be taking place, and when there is no Sannikarsha of Manas, then there won't be Jnana Utpatti. So Atma, Indriya and Indriyartha along with Manas, the Jnana Utpatti will be occurring. So based on this, whether Jnana is having the Sannikarsha with this combination, Jnana Bhava or Jnana Abhava can be determined. Yukapat Jnana Anutpattihi Manaso Lingam. So as per Nyaya Darshana, it has been mentioned that Yukapat Jnana Anutpattihi Manaso Lingam. So Jnana Anutpatti is considered to be the Linga or Lakshana of Manas. That is, simultaneously there will be different Indriyas which cannot be perceived or which don't get the Jnana. So this property of Manas is that this Manas will be concentrating on only one Indriya at a particular time. So this Manas will be, if it is helping or it is controlling the Karna Indriya, then or Shrotrendriya, it will be focusing on Shrotrendriya only. And after the perception of the Vishaya, then only it will be moving to Rasanendriya or Ghanendriya or Jihvendriya, etc. So at a particular time, this Manas will be focusing on one particular Indriya and Indriya Vishayas. So by that time, the other four Jnanendriyas won't be able to perceive the Vishayas and they won't be attaining the Jnana. So by that four Indriyas, no Jnana cannot be attained. So that is Jnana Anutpatti. That is, Yukapat Jnana Anutpatti is considered to be the Mano Lakshana. That is, at a time Manas will be concentrating or focusing on particular one Indriya only, and the other four Indriyas, that is other four Jnanendriyas won't be able to focus on their Vishayas, and that particular knowledge cannot be attained. So that is considered to be the Mano Lakshana. Sukhadi upalabdhi karanam manaha. And manas is the faculty which is responsible for the perception of sukhadi factors. Sukhadi here refers to all the mental factors or the mental emotions like sukha, dukkha, ichha, dvesha, all we can consider. All these factors are being perceived by or the factor which is responsible for the perception of these is considered to be the manas. So sukhadi upalabdhi is being done by manas. Sukhadi upalabdhi sadhanam indriyam manaha. And how this manas is obtaining this sukhadi factors is through the indriya. So that which makes the indriya a sadhana or a tool or means for attaining this or obtaining this sukhadi mental factors, that is considered to be manas. So manas controls the indriya, and this indriya will be moving towards the sukha, ichha, dukkha, dvesha, such all mental factors will be achieved by the indriyas based on the control of the manas. So manas is the factor which is responsible for making the indriya a sadhana or tool for attaining this sukhadi factors. Sparsha-rahitatve sati kriyavatvam manaso lakshanam. So this manas is having a property that is devoid of sparsha, that is sparsha-rahita. We can't perceive this manas. Already it has been mentioned, manas is atindriya. One of the synonym of manas is atindriya. So we can't perceive this manas. With any of the indriyas we can't perceive this manas, and because of that it is devoid of sparsha. But this manas is doing the karmas. So as it is cannot be perceived and it is responsible for the jnana utpatti, but it does the karma or it does the all the actions, that is kriyavatvam. All the actions will be performed by the manas, or all the indriyas will be performing the particular action by the control of this manas. So these are the mano lakshana. Today we have discussed a portion of manas and will be continuing the same topic in the upcoming videos. For more updates on Samhita and Siddhanta, make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.